I'm here with Kim and Barry in the beautiful Dordogne to ask them about this gorgeous house that we're in that they renovated. Hello.
Hi, Sharon.
So nice to meet you both.
Thank you.
So this house is stunning, really, really gorgeous, and a beautiful, beautiful view across the river there. So tell me a little bit about your story. What made you come to France?
It's something we've always wanted to do, and we did.
To do.
Yeah, and we had a smaller house in the Limousin for 10 years, which was just a holiday home, didn't we? Just really wanted to come to France and do a B&B, change of lifestyle completely, and that's what we wanted to do.
Yeah.
So it's just a case of finding the right property, really.
Okay, so what made you choose this lovely property?
More by good luck than good judgment, probably, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Just drove into the village, and we saw it on the internet, obviously, and before, and then just made an appointment to come and visit it, and once I saw it, just fell in love with it.
Gorgeous. So how long have you been here?
3 years.
3 years.
3 years. We
Yeah,
bought the
3
house
years.
4 years ago,
Yeah.
and we've been here 3 years.
Okay, so what kind of condition was it in when you got it?
It was habitable, yeah.
It was habitable.
It wasn't lived in. It had been empty for 10 or 11 years.
Yeah.
But there was an old lady who used to just pop backwards and forwards from Paris and that, to sort of air it and open the windows and stuff like that.
There's nothing here, was there?
There was nothing here, no. There was one toilet downstairs.
And a shower upstairs.
A gas cooker, we're on the bottled gas, and the white plastic garden furniture. And that was
That was it. Yeah.
Right, so you've done a lot of work.
Yes.
Yeah.
Were you living in it when you
Yes.
when you renovated?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that sounds like it must have been fun.
But we've got some guys in as well to do some of the stuff.
Yeah,
in
we
it.
did.
It's a bit beyond my remit. So.
Yeah. To put the ensuites
Ensuites
in
and stuff
and
like
that
that.
sort of thing.
Because we're both Pisces, so we didn't want to get involved with water.
Oh,
so.
yeah, no.
But we just live by
We
the
live
river.
next to it. Yeah.
So how long did it take?
That took the best part of the
Yeah, best part of a year from start to finish. Probably a bit less than that,
Yeah.
but roughly that. So yeah.
Pretty good going.
Yeah.
Okay, so have you made any big changes? Have you changed any of because quite often I know the rooms can be quite small. Have you opened anything out, or have you added insulation, or made any big sort of changes to the
We've
building?
had to put the insulation between the floors, haven't we, and the ceilings
Yes, in
in
these
here. You can see all the
ceilings.
beams before in here, but you could also hear a conversation and
Right.
your daughter spilled a cup of coffee upstairs, and it was immediately in the front room, and it's like it just went straight through the So yeah.
Okay, so what do you do now? How long have you been? So you've been living in the house for 3 years.
Yes.
And you mentioned a B&B, so
Yes.
is that what you do
Yes.
currently?
We've been doing that for 2 years.
Yeah. It's been really good, isn't it? It's like,
Yeah, and it just took off.
Yeah,
We
met
were
some
just
amazing
really
people
lucky,
in it.
and it just took off, and it's just been busy. So yeah, brilliant.
So I know the buying process in France is a little bit different to the buying process in the UK. How did you find that? Simple or complicated or easy or?
Quite easy.
Yeah, quite simple, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's
Quite straightforward. After
Yeah.
the 10-day cooling off
Put off
period,
period,
and
sort of sign like for that, didn't you?
yeah, there's
And
just
and then there's the deposit, and once you've sort of put that down, there's no gazumping or anything like that. It's almost like once you've signed, then basically that's it. So it's better than that sort of side, is it? You ain't got to worry.
is. Yeah, there's just you've got to get some of the documents translated and things like that, but it wasn't difficult. It was actually relatively straightforward. We were quite lucky, obviously. We didn't have a chain, but it was good. Would certainly recommend it.
We used the same notaire as the lady as well, didn't we? We used the same notaire, so like she dealt with everything as well. So if there was an issue, she probably could deal with it on her own rather than going from one person and then coming back and then going to like a third party and stuff like that. So,
Yeah, it's better in that respect because you haven't got two solicitors involved. Well, you don't have to have. You can just have the one who's impartial. So that works quite well. Yeah.
So just want to say thank you very much. It's been really, really interesting. Your home is beautiful.
Thank you.
And thanks for letting us film it.
Thank you. No problem at all. It's our pleasure. Thank you.
Oh, by the way, Cyril filming. Can you give us the name of your B&B?
It's Maison du Pont.
Maison du Pont in La Roche-Beaucourt.
La Roche-Beaucourt in Argentine.
Yes.
And we'll put the link in the description.